Welcome back to my channel. So I'm trying something a little bit differently today. I am on my TikTok and I ran across this video that I thought would be great. So it's cool to kind of try a TikTok hair video. I do make TikTok hair videos as well, so you can follow me on TikTok at TheePuff, just same as this channel, TheePuff. So I ran across this video. Oh, it's loud. Okay. By a Bryson Carter, as you see. Yes, cute. And I'm gonna try this out. So I'm gonna watch it first again, and you can also watch it with me right here. I don't wanna let myself down. Okay. Okay. Amazing style. I am not going to just use oil and mousse for the love of my 4C hair. I'm not going to do that. So what I think I'm going to do, I have my things in front of me. I'm going to treat it as if I'm doing a twist, and then I'm going to, I'm doing like my regular twist, and then I'm going to, I guess, wrap it around a flexi rod. So I guess I will use, okay, this would be great actually. So my friend just got me the main choice. You can see that. And this is a anti-breakage from the anti-breakage collection. It's a glistening gold twisting gel. I have not used this yet. So I think this, oh, it's nice. Okay. Look at the shine. Yes. All right. So I'm probably use that. And for the love of keeping my hair moisturized, I will still use mousse. I'm going to use mousse. But I'll probably use, I have a little, this is not the product anymore, but I have a little squeeze bottle. That is my tea tree oil. And I'm probably going to use the my favorite leave-in, this is one of my favorite leave-in conditioners, to be honest. On my 4C hair, it feels great. And then, as always, the Aunt Jackie's Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. That'll be at the end. So, first things first, I want to stop looking like Erykah Badu and take this off. I did just wash my hair. Whoa. Let's put that back down. I did just wash my hair. So, and yes, I just left the part from my last hairstyle. I just washed it in sections. So I did just wash it. This is semi-damp. It's really not wet at all. So I guess let's get started. I'm gonna turn this down and I'm gonna watch this again. Okay, so let's see. The first thing he does is wets his hair in sections. So okay. I don't have, not one comb. Okay, great. I don't have a mirror. What is, oh no.
Can we stop?
Hello again. Okay, so first things first, I did all that. I didn't get a comb. Damn it, Bobby. So I'm back and I have a comb now. So let's try to get these parts a little bit straighter, I guess. Okay, so it is sectioned in 4 parts. And I'm not going to show the back because I'm growing my undercut out. So don't judge me, judge your parents. All right, so what else is he doing? Okay, his first step is oil, part, mousse. Okay, I love myself way too much to just do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start in the first front section. First things first is I'm going to wet it. I'm using warm water. Not too wet, but just wet enough. I'm going to part it. I'm probably going to do like 4 in each section. Maybe 3 in each section. Like leave this as a big section maybe. Let's see how that works out. Okay. I'm going to just PEM-DOTS this right over, you know. Just put this over there. All right, cool. So now just this section. Now, it's already wet. What I'm probably going to do is a little bit of leave-in. So again, this was my leave-in. And it's also locked, so that's fine. Okay. Okay, that's backwards. So I'm just going to do a little bit of leave-in. I'm going to go in with the gold twisting gel, I guess. I guess I want to go all the way through as if I'm doing a twist. This smells really good. This smells really, really good, by the way. Just putting that out there. Okay. All right, so it's all the way through, as you can see. Hope you can all see. And then I'm going to use mousse. He puts it right on his hair, and I don't like that. Oh, God. Okay, so yeah, okay. I'm doing it. All right. Okay, so then I'm going to do mousse. Yeah, there we go. And then, so it doesn't look like he twists all the way. So I'm guessing he's just twisting at the base. I guess he's just twisting at the base and then he's going around. So I'm just going to twist it just this much. Just that much of it's going to be twisted. And his hair's a lot longer than mine. So I have little tiny flexi rods. And it looks like he's going underhand. So let's see. All right. And so just wrap it all the way around. Let's keep watching this video. So he just wraps it and he clips it. Okay. All right. Okay. So then let's lock that base in, and then I guess let's lock that bottom in. And then leave it like this. Okay. Face is sticky. Great. Maybe I should call him. So here we are. So that's the first one. And I just don't know how this is gonna work. Because I feel like all of this is gonna be puffy. All right. I'm
I'm a champ, and I'm back.
I don't understand this method. Okay. Oh my God. Oh no, it's stuck. Okay. And then I guess I'm just going to do this all over. Because the light's a lot better on this side, I'm going to do this side, then I'm going to come back, and then we'll figure it out. Okay, so the one half is all done. As you can see, I'm now moving on to this side. This, I hope, works out. I've never done a successful flexi rod set before. So no pressure, but all the pressure. typically my hair just does not work out really well when it comes to doing flexi rod sets. It gets a little crazy. So I'm hoping that it does work out. Because my hair is very kinky and it just doesn't stay the curly I would like it to be sometimes. So I don't typically like to do it in a twisting type of style. But we'll see. We're going to do the last step with the mousse. If you haven't noticed, I have not put any type of gel in my hair. Or not gel, oil. No oils have gone in my hair as of yet. Because I'm going to use oil at the end. And that's also what I'm going to do the takedown with. Alright. Just like the video, let's give it a little twist at the base. And then we're going to grab our little flexi rod here. And unbend it. Alright. Should I do it this way? I guess I'll go backwards. Yes, he's going backwards. So let's go around and around. Then let's lock it in. So, the last section I have is just the back of this section. As you can see, I'm afraid of what this part's gonna be looking like. Like, I feel like it's gonna be bad. But let's see. But you see, I got 3 here. And I'm gonna see if I can get away with just doing 3 or 4 back here. So let's see. And I will be back. I mean, you know the process at this point. I'll be back. Hold on. Okay, so camera died, but as you can see, I threw a little bit more mousse on the top just to kind of keep it controlled. So I'm now going to sit under my hooded dryer for, I'm going to say an hour, because I really want my hair to be dry when this is done.
Coronavirus!
Okay, so I'm back again. It definitely has not been a few days. It's just the same day. I don't know what you're all talking about. So, first thing I want to do is I'm going to just do a quick oil of the parts really quickly, because my hair is a little itchy. It's been a while, so I'm just going to do a quick oil. Cool. Okay. So for the takedown of this, I'm nervous, but I'm going to do, mind you, just only tea tree oil, just a little bit on the hands. And I'm just going to start up here. Let's see.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take them out the rollers first. Okay, so they're all fully out. And I guess it's just time to break it apart and see what it looks like.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
I need a break. I need a break. So, update. I just picked my hair out. You can see straight, like, this is so stretched out. I'll see y'all at the next video.